Welcome back to First Step Gun Essentials. Today we're going to be talking about Vaultek gun safes. We think we found the perfect combination of portability, price, and features. You'll want to stick around. So let's start with price up front. For about $100 you can get the Life Pod, and they have additional models that go up into the few $100 range. They also offer safes that will hold rifles. And again, the features are filled with options that include combination locks, key backup, and some of their safes have biometrics that are really good. One of the reasons I was drawn to Vaultek was simply the portability, the different size options, and yet they're quality products that are full of features that most people are looking for today in a gun safe at home. This MX series also has a feature for someone who's trying to maybe tamper with the safe or move it. It has an alarm that goes off, and it won't go off until you punch the combination in. A good, reliable gun safe that you can get access to your firearm quickly is a must for a responsible firearm owner. With Vaultek's new line of pistol safes that come in every different size and price point, you'll be sure to find something that works for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and we hope you'll join us next time at First Step Gun Essentials.